Choose your warrior plant. What is your warrior plant? Why did you choose that? Why did you identify with this? So I'll share with you what my reasons were why I identified with sunflower. The color that I talked about, all the different colors, the observations while I grew it from seed versus what I class as sterile store-bought sunflowers. I was intuitively drawn towards it as well. And I discovered that it did have an aroma. I still learn a lot about sunflower. I mean, people know that I obsess about sunflowers. Really, it's just because I think I just identify with this plant. And I mentioned this in a previous episode that my neighbor grew a 14-foot sunflower. Just how huge these things can get. And there can be just little ones as well and popping out. And I see them everywhere. And so it must be just part of my journey